Buddy Larry here from MarineMax in Jacksonville, Florida. And today I'm standing on this beautiful 2025 Sea Ray 280 SLX Outboard. This is an amazing boat with tons of features in it, sporty design, and we're going to start right back here at the power plant. Boat is powered with twin 250 horsepower Mercury engines with joystick piloting. That makes the boat extremely nimble, be able to move the boat sideways, diagonally, turn it in place. It also incorporates a built-in autopilot as well as skyhook, which is like a virtual anchor. So if you pull into the marina and you need to get your dock lines out, you're by yourself, you can press a button, the boat will hold itself in place. Really convenient feature. As you can see here, we've got this expansive sun lounge in the back, a removable ski pylon here, stereo controls, a freshwater pull-out shower from when you're coming in off the sandbar. Nice place to rinse off here at the back of the boat. And one really neat feature about this hardtop is this extendable shade, which you don't find on boats with tops like this other than Sea Ray. Look how much coverage we get fore and aft with this extension on the bimini top, which is also a wakeboard tower as well. As we enter the cockpit, you're going to see really luxurious seating, diamond stitching, beautiful interior, lots of cup holders, lots of interior lighting, which is also multicolor. You can also set the lighting to work to the beat of the music if you want. So you can do all types of really neat things entertainment-wise with this boat. We've also got a nice, convenient refrigerated box here. Great place to keep some cold drinks, sandwiches, anything you like, nice and chilled. Up here at the helm, we've got a really nice ergonomically designed control center. So this boat is equipped with the joystick piloting, convenient, right at your side behind the throttles. We've got the digital throttle controls for the Mercury 250s, tilt steering, which is really nice to get a nice comfortable position while you're driving the boat. And another really great feature of this Sea Ray is the dynamic running surface. What that is an automatic trim tab system which will level the boat and also put the boat at an optimal attitude for fuel economy, efficiency, handling. No need to make any manual adjustments. It's fully automatic. We've got stereo controls up here at the helm. And right in front, we've got two Simrad screens which offer navigation, sonar, all your chart plotting, as well as controls for the boat systems, such as all your interior and exterior lighting. That's where you'll be able to dim the lights, change the colors, set them to the beat of the music, however you want to set up your beautiful 280 SLX. As we move forward, we've got a full marine head on the port side, with a porcelain toilet, holding tank, overboard, as well as dockside discharge. Freshwater sink down there as well. Up here at the bow, we've got a windlass, which is controlled at the helm, or it can also be controlled up here with a remote control. We also have a second pull-out shower if you want to rinse off at the bow. This boat is also equipped with the forward bow shade, so in addition to the bimini top with the extendable rear shade, we've also got poles that drop in at the bow, canvas that extends out, and you can cover this bow area. As you can see, the seating is nice and deep. You've got folding armrest, cup holders that are nice and convenient. We've got a mount here for a forward bow table. There's also one in the cockpit as well. And one of the really neat features about this boat is the top. This is a power top which can be controlled either at the transom or right here in the cockpit, and the entire top will come straight down. So if you have a height restriction in either your dry rack storage unit or you're in a boathouse and you want to get the boat a little bit higher in the lift because of a storm, you can close this top all the way down. It's also not bad if it's raining and you want to get a little bit of extra weather protection as well. If you'd like to take a sea trial on this beautiful 280 SLX Outboard, give me a call at 904-545-53 My name's Larry. Thanks. Have a great day.